So we're out here at the second annual truck and car show.
Second annual.
Second. It is bigger and better. Man, it's crazy. It's packed.
It's packed. The weather's beautiful.
Oh, yeah.
We're 2 for 2.
2 for 2 already.
We're 2 for 2 already, man.
That's a young spot.
That's right.
But we're out here, you know, again, supporting the community.
Absolutely.
And then just tell us a little bit about, you know, what we got going on.
Man, so what we got is our second annual charity car show and meet. We did this for the first time, right? We bought a meet and a show together. There's guys with the meet out here, guys with the show inside. It's such a wonderful opportunity to bring both communities together, right?
Yeah.
But more importantly, we're doing it all for a good cause. So 100% of these proceeds go to a men's retreat that we go to every year. Hopefully Eduardo may go this year.
Right.
I've told him about it a little bit. And it's an opportunity, you know, just to really do some good within our community. And so that's what this is about. Doing that, and again, bringing the trucks together. You know, we like our classics, but we also, you know, we want to continue growing, and that's what this is about. Everybody's out here. La Vida Clásica, a gas pedal project, and some new vendors, Tico, Micheladas, the Fruta Fellas, Rosie. Everyone is with the same mission, is helping each other and growing together. So we're super excited that everybody came out today, man. The cruise was awesome. Everybody rolled in, and that looks awesome together. So
we're seeing actually new trucks every single time. Every time you come to one of these shows or events, you're gonna see something new.
Something new all the time.
Something new. Wheels.
The wheels.
James C. Wheel Innovation.
We got the wheels, the cooler, the backyard cooler. We even have a bedliner raffle now. We partnered with Larry. He's got a bedliner raffle. I mean, La Vida Clásica gave a little toolkit with some shirts, cup holders. Man, we got so many cool stuff, and it's all been donated 100%. Which is, that's what's cool. All those proceeds go back to you know, our cause and our community. And so, thank you, Eduardo, like always, man, for showing up and doing it, man. It's awesome. You know, we're continuing every year. We're getting better. Can't do it without people like Eduardo and you guys watching and coming out. We truly appreciate it. Keep
and we're growing. Thank you guys for the support.
40,000. Dude, you hit 40,000. Y'all guys, this guy's at 40,000. He surpassed me. We're gone. I'm in the, and that's what it's about. You know, I take more joy in seeing these guys really grow their business, and it's so awesome. And again, thank you for supporting him. You know, subscribe to his channel. He's gonna put it right here at the bottom. And you know, that's what it's about.
Yeah, and I couldn't have done this, you know, without the support.
We got a new flyer. I'm about to drop it after this event. It's an awesome flyer that we got done for the new, again, the park tour that we got going on. We got a super cool park coming up. And so continue following that. But more importantly, continue supporting Eduardo. You know, again, look at us. We're out here with our families. We're doing a great. This is showing them and working with our families. It's the best thing ever, man. Absolutely. It's so cool, man. It's so cool. Yeah, and actually, his new nickname, just so you guys know, Billy Boy.
Billy Boy.
Hashtag Billy Boy. Put it right here. Hashtag Billy Boy. That's his nickname we gave him, and so we're super proud of him, man. And thank you again, carnal. It's always good, man. Hanging out with you guys. If you're not here, you're missing out. It's gonna be good, right, Eduardo? All right.
Out here, we got the square bodies, a couple OBS. This time we met up at K1 Speed off of 290. Got a Pontiac. And this one bird. Fence out. Nice. What year is it? 98. 98. It's in great condition.
Yeah, it has 136,000 miles, cold AC.
36,000 miles. AC working, which is the best thing, man. Ready for summer.
Oh yeah.
You got the T-top and everything. So that's nice. This is one of the cars joining us for the cruise early this morning. Got a square body, got the Dodge F100. You got my white OBS. Another OBS that came and showed up. Square bodies. Got the dually. Another OBS. We're getting ready to cruise here shortly. the Trucks and Coffee second annual truck and car show. If you're watching this video, thank y'all so much for coming for the cruise. We're gonna be heading out in a bit. Ready. Got the merch right there. That's the new one. We're gonna start lining up. Okay. Beautiful square body. Right now we're getting how to get out of here pretty much, because the way it is, we have to do a big U-turn, or we can just grab this area, turn, and then head that way. We're gonna start lining up. See you guys at the truck and car show. Nice square body, clean OBS. Good morning. Good. Let's set up, man.
Time to set up.
Time to set up. Vamos a ir con micheladas en Chapulín. Oh, what's up, bro?
You want a sample?
That's your Pickup Boulevard. We're here again. Second annual truck and car show. It's hot, but it's beautiful weather. A lot more trucks and things like that, right? But yeah, check them out. Check out his social media. Pickup Boulevard. It's on Instagram. What else? Facebook.
Snapchat, Facebook.
Everywhere. Any events, anything like that, gotta hit them up.
I had a headache this morning.
Aquí estamos, racita, con Chivas and Chapulín. Gotta check them out, man. I'm telling you, honestly, quite frankly, these, not just because it's sponsored or anything like that, but they're fire, man. They're bomb. I was telling Manny, he said, nunca he probado una michelada. Really, bro, you gotta try this, man, because están con madre. And right now, you got yeah, I saw a post. There's where's that location where you have the michelada mix?
Yeah, so that's off of 59 and Gens, and it's
Los Indios, oh yeah.
Yeah, it's a restaurant. They got Mexican food, they got seafood, and now they're serving the best micheladas.
Absolutely. Check them out.
Appreciate that, man.
Charles right there, bro.
Man, with this weather, definitely need a michelada right now. Aquí estamos con Juan otra vez.
Aquí estamos, viejo.
Mero.
Señor.
I love the
Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
You gotta look good, eh?
Yeah, Fernando made it for me. So.
Otra vez.
Yeah.
El patrón.
Yeah, el patrón quiere que me vea guapo, pero no se puede.
Sí, man. We got the James Free Wheel Innovation. I got the course art.
Yes,
You know,
sir.
supporting out here. That's what we do. Support each other.
Oh, yeah.
Man, I can tell you that last time we were here, there was a red square body. It was on 26.
It was a 26.
26. Now, if we look right over here, it dropped. He has a really beautiful stance. What type of wheels do we have on?
We put the Alcatraz 22 by 12 rears, 22 by 8.5 in front, and the brush finish. So
These wheels, these wheels are the ones that are perfectly for square bodies. There's no need for
not cutting the rear axle, dubs, or nothing like that.
they're ready to go. You slap them on there. They fit perfectly. Make sure you check out their pages on social media. He definitely takes care of you. Great customer service. He's out here in between the community, you know. And then he's also supporting a great cause. Tell us about what you got going on with the raffle.
We got a raffle. We got a raffling a set of the Alcatraz 22 by 10.5, 22 by 8.5, and the gunmetal finish. So all the tickets are sold. Thank you to everybody. Citas on the City, Cita en Batos, my friend Ricky from Citas in the City, of course you, Caspero Project, and La Vida Clásica, Nando. Thank you to everybody. We sold out in about 2 weeks. So we're ready to do that giveaway today at noon.
Yeah.
And we're going to announce the winner. There's going to be a little bit more prizes. My buddy Ricky from Citas on the City, he donated some shirts, stickers, and koozies. So this is going to be part of the giveaway. So
if you're watching the vlog, good luck to you.
Yeah.
If you win, make sure you comment down below. Hey, I won the set of wheels.
yeah. So the last numbers that we draw, this is going to be the winner.
The last number.
Yeah, we're gonna pull all the numbers. The last number is going to be the winner. Good luck to everybody. Okay?
Yeah. Take care. Morning.
Number 3, you're out. Number 15, you're out. Number 1, you're out. Number 23, Michael Jordan, you're out. And the winner is 27. Roger Sylvester. You won the wheel. Oh my God. What? Man, this is meant to be. José Luna.